guys, remember that I couldn't open it? I think I know the way. It's Smushy Mushy Baby, Serious One, and that poop is rare. I know that. Is there any important information here? No, it's just stuff. Okay, got this open. Can't wait to see what's inside. It's a baby bottle that came flying away. I really like it. It's cute. Squishy Mushy Baby. It says on it. Let's see what's inside. And this seems familiar. No, it's not. It's really cute though. It smells absolutely awesome. We got this little chain here that we can open. I have one of these before. Let's put the chain through the squishy. This is hard. Most stuff is hard. Okay, we're getting it out. Oops, we just got it out. Wait, we were getting it in and then we now got it out. Let's put it all the way in and try to actually get it in fully. This is hard. Real hard. Let's do the squish test. Slow rise. Very slow rise. It's scented. I don't know if there's a collector's guide. I think everything was just in the wrapper. It's a little baby bottle. You can put it back inside the store. Oh, and I think another way, you could put the chain through here too. Let's see if we can do this. It's hard for me. Though if it was like that, it would be really, really cute. Here is another squishy that I have opened. It has this little elephant coming out of it. It's a unicorn dressed up in a tiger suit. It was a rare. Here's its container for it. It may not be so cute as this one, but I love the color. I really love this teal or aqua color. Let's get it back out. This is like a little cow. It's perfect for milk because cows give milk. I like milk. Let's compare them. They're both squishies. This is pink and white. They're both pink and white. They have black too. Maybe just this color. I don't know what color exactly color it is, but it's kind of like a yellow. Is not on this. Wait, it is. It is because of the elephant. So they totally match up. Here's just what else they compare. They're both squishies. This one is made out of member foam. It has this gold elephant coming from it. Cute elephant. It's like a jelly bean. Jelly. This is very squishy. Maybe even squishier than this. They're both almost the same. Just this isn't fun. That's it for today's video. Let's put them back in their containers. I really hope you like this video. Be sure to subscribe, hit the bell, like, and don't forget to comment down below. Bye!